Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Stars Insta Curvy. Today, we have exciting details to share about one of the most stunning models in the industry. Before we continue, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends in social media. Netol. Netol is a gorgeous fashion model, content creator, and digital influencer who promotes body positivity and self-love. She gained popularity on Instagram by sharing her stylish outfits, stunning photos, and lifestyle videos. This queen of confidence continues to prove that beauty has no size. It comes in all shapes and forms, inspiring women across the globe. Currently, she has over 24.7K followers on Instagram. Her main sources of income include modeling, brand promotions, sponsorships, and commercial collaborations. Netol stands 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighs approximately 87 kilograms. She is absolutely stunning, with blonde hair and striking black eyes. Movie camera if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about your favorite influencers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This way, you'll always stay informed about the latest trends and inspiring stories in the digital world. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best content. Sparkles, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.